Don't fret, my little POS, the battery charger that frustrated me since the day I bought it. I'm gonna fix your fan that's so loud. I'm gonna fix those little lights that go blinky, blinky, blink and it doesn't charge. Say hello to my little friend. He rubs the lotion on the skin. Stay till the end. We're gonna take a sledgehammer to that old charger. Where's that little noisy fan at? I think it's about right there. There's that noisy fan. Ha ha! Don't fret. Everything's gonna be just fine. Out with the old and in with the new. Have you been disappointed with your low quality smart charger? Then you need one of these, the NoCo Genius 10. Oh, we just about got it fixed. It rubs a lotion on the skin. You will never frustrate me again. Here's those blinky little lights. If you're ready to replace your old smart charger with a good quality charger, check out the links in the description. The NoCo Genius 10. Best charger I've ever owned. That old smart charger ain't so smart now, is it? Here's Johnny.